Hi everyone, I've just come to share with you some journals that I have that are for my shop, and I've made these journals as a few people have said to me in some private messages about making some lower cost journals obviously to purchase, and I thought, right, okay, I will do ones that obviously don't have as much embellishing and lace and all that kind of stuff, because obviously you've got to cover the cost of them. So what I think I've done is I've come up with what I would call is a simple, basic, but still interactive journals. So I've made 4. They're traveller's notebook size. Each one is named, and there will be, as in the little tickets that are on them. So each one on the shop will be called Dream, Create, Journey and Believe. They are 8 1/4 by 4 1/2. They have one signature. They have, just checking how many pages, they have 68 pages front and back, and I will start going through them rather quickly. So we will start with Believe, and it's cardstock, designer cardstock sewn onto some white cardstock, so it's a nice thick cover. I've just got some string holding it together, it's not attached. I've done the double pockets on the front, so we have large tag in the back, selection of tags and ephemera in here. We've got the ticket, the butterfly here, and I'll show you the ephemera. And I've got a new printer, I've got a laser printer, so everything has been printed out on the laser printer. So if you want to coffee dye, say, some of the ephemera on the back, you can do, it's not going to run. So I've used, I'll put on frame, I've used some Tsunami Rose and this digital ephemera from so many different people. So I'm not going to name everyone because I've got 4 journals to show in less than 15 minutes. So we've got that, we've got this tag, we've got this little tag, and I've got glitter everywhere because these little butterflies I stamped on cardstock, Mod Podged them, and then glittered them with some oh, what's it called, diamond dust, I think that's what it's called, and it is everywhere. This opens up. I'll open up everything in the front one, the first one, because the others are very similar, just different ephemera, but the pockets and everything are more or less the same. So that all goes in there. We've got some edge punching, some dictionary page, some music, digital music paper, some more digital paper. We have our Rita Donnelly flip here, which I've probably glued down a little bit. Let me see if I can do that. Where's a ruler? I normally use a ruler. A little squidging of, there we go, a tiny little bit of glue. So I don't know if you can see the shine and sparkle on the butterflies, but I had fun doing them. Some of my digital receipt ephemera, a tag, some more ephemera. Feels nice now that I've got the laser printer. Feels all shiny and silky. We have a waxed bag here, a doily, some Edith Holden. I've used the piece of cardstock from this. I don't know if I showed you the back, it's got hearts on it. There is a bit at the bottom, so I've made pockets from that. I've put the word create on there. We have some ephemera. That I actually waxed with a candle, feels lovely. Library card and a tag. There's roughly 3 to 4 pieces in each pocket, so you've got plenty to play with. Here it says love, and this is my digital receipts. That pops in there. This is from Artie Mays, Tsunami Rose, tag. The other side of the paper bag, another Rita Donnelly flip that's probably glued down. I don't know how I do that. I try my best not to, but I do it. Tag here, handmade tag, Tiffany & Co. Some ephemera here, and a little bingo card. And this is a flip out, and we have some receipts, a tag and a journal card, and my blue glittery butterfly. And this all folds out, as you've seen me do them before, so you've got all that additional journal space, and that all pops in the back. So the other ones I'll just kind of flip through rather quick, because like I said, they are more or less the same. So that is Believe, and I'll sit Believe over there for now. And this is Journey. Again, it's same size, same amount of pages, held closed with the string. We've got the large tag in the back, and then we have this ephemera and tags. So it all pops in there. Ticket and the butterfly. Oh, I've actually got to put some more stuff in there. Yeah, I must have forgotten all about that, so I'll put that in there. And let me see. I need something that's going to fit in there. So that, I don't know how I managed that. And we'll put that in there for good luck as well. So we've got another Rita Donnelly flip, and that's glued down as well. Just them tiny little bits. Right, I'm going to do that when I've finished, because I want to get this video done. Another fold out, flip down, some more of my vintage receipts that can be found on my shop, in my shop. So that all goes in there. This, that, like I said, that all opens up, and we've got the doily, the ticket and the butterfly, glassine bag, a doily. God, how have I managed to glue all this together? I think it's where it oozed out. I opened a new one of these and I gave it a shake, and I thought, right, that's fine. So when I went to pour it, all this kind of like clear, well, white-ish clear liquid come pouring out of it. So it must have settled, and it had a film on the top, so it kind of went everywhere. Another pocket there. Oops. Another pocket here with ephemera, a tag, another tag, and a flip out. And this says Follow Your Heart. I love this page. Another flip out. I'm not going to flip it out, but we've got a tag in there. This tag here, and this, and that. Another Rita Donnelly flip, and some ephemera, a tag, and some more ephemera there. I wonder if that's glued down. Yeah, it is. I'll sort that as well. Naughty me. This one is called Create, same size as the others. The pocket on the front, the tag, and we have this tag, this ephemera, and that tag, and it all just pops in there. And another quick flip, Rita Donnelly flip here, some ephemera, a tag, a little journal card there, double journal card there, the ticket and the butterfly, another fold out, fold down, and we have some ephemera, a tag which goes in there. This is from Sue Olsen. I couldn't think of her name the other day. A little journal card there. Don't you hate that when you go to mention someone and your brain goes dead and you can't remember who they are? Some ephemera, a tag, another tag, some ephemera, it says be happy, some music paper, this is like vintage music paper, this is digital music paper, another pocket here, some ephemera. This is from my kit, but I had to kind of trim it down a little bit more because it was too wide to go in the pocket. A tag, another tag, and some ephemera. Paper bag, another flip out and flip down. We've got this tag in the back, and we have this tag, this journal card, and this ephemera here. Rita Donnelly flip, some ephemera, a tag, a library card, and a double journal card there, and that all pops in there. So that is create. And then we have, let me check the time. Oh yeah, I've got plenty of time. This one is called Dream, and again the large tag in here, the two tags and the two pieces of ephemera in the pockets. The flip out, flip down, we have ephemera in here. Tag. Another tag here and another tag. They're from Artie Mays. They all pop in there. Ticket and the butterfly. So yeah, these journals will be priced at £26. So that's a lot cheaper than my other ones, where obviously they've got a hell of a lot more in them. Plus shipping. So I hope that helps anyone who's looking for something that's a little bit more affordable. A Rita Donnelly flip here with some vintage receipt, some more journal cards here, and a tag, because I know it's not just the price of the journal, it's the price of the shipping. I pretty much think the shipping from the US, sorry, shipping from the UK is a lot cheaper to send to the US than it is the other way around. I know that because I've received, you know, Happy Mail, and I've seen obviously what they've paid, and it's like, wow, shocking, you know, for the weight of it. Anyway, this is also pretty. Other side of the paper bag, Rita Donnelly flip. We have a tag here, some ephemera, more ephemera, my ticket and my butterfly. As you see, I've done some stenciling on some of the pages as well. This is a flip down, flip out again with a tag. And all the tags and all the pages, the digital pages, have been coffee dyed with some shimmer in it as well. So it's nice and sparkly. As well as the butterfly having the, oh, that little, there we go. The as well as the butterflies having the diamond dust or glitter dust, I can't remember the name of it now. So that is that. So that is all the journals. Like I said, they'll all be named, each one will be listed separately, and you'll be able to, if you want one, you'll be able to pick which one you want. So if you the links will be below. If you have any questions, just ask, and thank you for watching. Bye.